The long await for Seattle sports fans is finally over. The first National Hockey League franchise to compete for the Stanley Cup in the Emerald City in over 100 years is about to come alive. Beloved, let's get it cracking. On October 12th, just a few sports days away, the Seattle Kraken will take the ice. You may have heard the hype around the Kraken. All summer long, the city of Seattle has been absolutely abuzz with excitement over the new franchise. But what do you know about the team? The first thing you should know about the Kraken is where they will play their home games. Climate Pledge Arena, the new name for the old Seattle Key Arena, located north of downtown, will provide home ice. After a $930 million renovation, the state-of-the-art arena promises to be among the nicest facilities in the league. General Manager Ron Francis, a Hall of Fame player and veteran of front offices, most recently in Carolina, makes the player personnel decisions. The Kraken head coach, Dave Hochstel, has been around hockey his entire life, serving most recently as an assistant coach in Toronto. The Kraken will compete in the NHL's Pacific Division. Their competition will include their Canadian neighbors, North, the Vancouver Canucks, in what is certain to be a fierce rivalry. Those Seattle-Vancouver games will be a must-see viewing. Now the fun part. How do you get a chance to see the Kraken play? The team opened an exhibition play a couple of weeks ago in Spokane against their rival Canucks. The first official game of the regular season comes next week, October 12th, on the road against the NHL's next newest team, the Vegas Golden Knights. That brings us to October 23rd, the first home NHL game in the city's history. On that night, your Seattle Kraken will face off against, you guessed it, Vancouver Canucks. I don't know who will win. I will tell you one thing. The energy at Climate Pledge Arena is sure to be absolutely electric that night. The game is already sold out. If you're not lucky enough to score tickets to the game, you can cheer on your team with the city on television. I'm proud to do my part to introduce the team to Seattle. Go Kraken!